So this is Chef Kalpesh of the Assa house, and today, Chef, what are you cooking for us?
So today we are preparing a very quick dish. It's called Prawns Plancha, and it minimum takes time around like 7 to 8 minutes to prepare this dish. And
It's very easy.
Yes.
That's what all chefs say.
Yes, it is easy. Trust me when I say that.
Done? Please.
All right, let's get it started. Prawns, olive oil, pepper, salt, paprika, black olives, parsley, red pepper coulis by heating it up. So red pepper coulis is a mixture of onions, red pepper, some smoked paprika, and some EVO, some butter, drizzle of some oil and some butter, some baby potatoes, cherry tomatoes.
So why is it called plancha?
So plancha in French means hot.
Okay, as simple as that.
Yes.
It's yummy.
Thank you.
It's so good. This is Nitin, owner of the Assa house. Why did you start the Assa house? What is the little concept behind it, and how you enjoy it?
So, nobody was doing French. Everybody said, it's not Indian palate. People do not understand French cuisine. We said, no, people would understand. And with Goa, everybody meets. The whole India comes to Goa.
Yes.
The whole India meets in Goa. So we said, yeah, why not do lovely plating? Our vision was to do something plated, a small curated menu, but something which is great and something which is fun and something which is exciting.
Like you.
Yeah.
Like you. Very much like him. So
it's all about flavors. French cuisine is all about flavors.